Stretch the headphone arms on both sides. Unscrew the screws. Slide down the iron buckle. Cut off the old leather. Cut along the leather stitching carefully to avoid damaging the inner foam. Do not peel off the OEM foam. Align the PVC sheet with the headband base. Wrap the leather around the headband frame. Align the plush with the Velcro and stick them firmly together. Peel off the double-sided tape. Stick the tape around the edge of the headband frame. Peel off the double-sided tape. Stick the edge of the leather to the double-sided tape. Stick the leather at the side corner to the side frame of the headphone. Stick the bottom leather to the double-sided tape. Press the leather firmly and cover the iron buckle. Make sure all the leather is underneath the inner side of the iron cover. Twist in a screw. Repeat the installation for other side. And you will get a brand new pair of headphones.